In this video, I am going to give an overview of transition elements. Transition elements are also known as d block elements. In periodic table, transition metal starts from period number 4. In the period number 4, 3d orbital start to fill. In period number 5, 4d orbital, period number 6, 5d, and period number 7, 6d orbital fill. And we know each d orbital can accommodate maximum 10 electrons. That means each period can contain maximum 10 transition elements. That means in the periodic table, total 40 transition elements are present. D block elements or transition elements are very much connected with our everyday life. The most popular D block element is iron. Even copper is also very popular D block elements. Similarly, gold and silver, they are nothing but D block elements. D block elements or transition metals also can found in various gemstones. Gemstone has bright color and the presence of transition metal is responsible for their bright color. Many biomolecules contain transition metals and they are involved in the function of those biomolecules. Like vitamin B12, it contains cobalt. Hemoglobin, cytochrome C, they contain iron. We all know the importance of iron in hemoglobin. This iron binds with oxygen and it carries oxygen to different cells. So without hemoglobin, our body will not function. We all know the science is connected with everyday life and D block elements are part of that. We use D block elements or transition metals in everyday life without knowing their chemistry or science behind it. So I hope you like this video where I have connected the chemistry with everyday life. So please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity. Thank you for watching it.